Amazing flavor with minimal effort. Now this is a prime rib video that's going to be your new favorite, plus a secret ingredient. Stay tuned. Here's a simple recipe we're going to use with high quality ribeye roast. And we're going to start with quality. We're going to use fresh ingredients, and we're going to follow a very simple app. Now let's get it started. Well, you know we're going to start with the best roast you can buy, a Certified Angus Beef brand boneless ribeye roast. Pick one with a good amount of marbling in the center of the eye. This beauty is about 5.5 pounds. Okay, let's get some ingredients ready to build a crust on this roast. Starting with garlic, we'll get about 3 cloves out of this head. Get the skins off and smash the cloves with the side of your knife before chopping up. You know, rock the knife and get chefy with it. Make sure that garlic is nice and fine, and then we'll head into the bowl with it. We're building an herb paste here for the prime rib. Now some fresh rosemary. We'll pick the leaves off the stem and again rock the knife, getting things nice and fine. We'll also do the same with some fresh thyme, picking the leaves off individually before chopping fine and heading into the bowl. Now a couple tablespoons of coarse kosher salt, a tablespoon of coarse black pepper, and a bit of olive oil. Mix that up and you have your paste. It should have the consistency of wet sand. Now back to the roast and a surprise ingredient, balsamic vinegar poured over the exterior and brushed over the whole roast. This will do a couple things. Enhance and complement the richness of the ribeye roast, but also it will serve as the foundation for an amazing crust. So brush it evenly on all sides. And now to our herb and garlic paste. We're gonna rub this all over the roast. So on the top where the fat cap is, but also turn it over and get all sides of the roast. We'll wrap the roast back up and put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. Now's a good time to preheat your oven and get a roasting pan ready. I like to line the bottom of a roasting pan with foil. As our roast cooks and renders fat, having that foil liner will make cleanup a lot easier later. Then in with the rack. This will help lift our roast so it doesn't make direct contact with the bottom of the pan, making cooking more even. Time to lay out our beautiful roast in the pan. I've got to say, I'm loving the way this roast looks. Now what we're going to do is make timing super easy. With your smartphone, open up the Roast Perfect app. It's free and super easy to use. If you don't have it, go ahead and pause the video now and get it. Open up the timer tab and select our roast, a boneless ribeye roast. Select how you'd like it cooked. For my family, it's medium rare, so I tap medium rare and then enter the weight by sliding the scale. Mine is closer to 5.5 pounds. I'll press that and press calculate roast time. And boom, the time in the oven is all figured out for me. So into the 450-degree oven, and we'll start our timer. Super easy. After 15 minutes, my timer's gone off. I'll rotate the roast 180 degrees. I'll lower the oven temperature to 325 degrees and press start again on my timer. For my roast, that means about 1 hour and 48 minutes. Midway through, I like to tent the top with foil to protect the crust from getting too dark. Something to keep in mind, especially if you're using a convection oven. With about 15 to 30 minutes left in cooking, I'll pull the foil off. Okay, my full time is up, and we're going to take the roast out to rest. 15 to 20 minutes for a roast this size. Well, it smells incredible, so let's taste it. It's had plenty of time to rest. Taking it in. What beautiful crust this has. Patience. Your family's going to want to get this right after it comes out of the oven, but it's important to let it rest so you can make sure your slices end up super juicy. Oh, look at that doneness. It's ideal. It's perfect. Perimeter to perimeter. It's amazing crust. See how no juices flow out? The juices stay in each slice. Now for me, I have to get a bite with a good amount of seasoning on it. The herbs, the garlic, the rosemary, the fresh ingredients with such a quality cut of ribeye. Incredible. You're gonna love this recipe. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the test kitchen at Certified Angus Beef.